Have you ever wondered how professionals safely remove earwax? Proper earwax removal requires skill, precision, and the right equipment to ensure your ears remain healthy. Excessive earwax can cause symptoms like hearing loss, discomfort, or a feeling of fullness. That's when an audiologist steps in to help. The process begins with a thorough examination. Using specialized tools, the audiologist looks inside your ear canal to determine the safest and most effective method of removal. We often proceed with microsuction. This involves using a gentle suction device to carefully remove wax with full visibility, making the procedure precise and controlled. At Hearing First Oxford, every step is carried out with patient safety in mind. Strict hygiene standards are followed for the highest level of care. Don't risk pushing wax deeper at home. Professional care ensures the wax is removed effectively without damaging the ear canal or eardrum. Most patients experience immediate relief and improved hearing. Trust an audiologist to ensure your ears are treated safely and with expert care.